Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Talk English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex, and guys, something embarrassing happened yesterday.
Oh no, what happened?
My American coworker asked me, "How was your day?" and I froze.
You froze? Why? It's a simple question.
I know, but my mind went blank. I could only say good.
Just good? Nothing else?
Nothing. He waited for me to say more, and I just stood there like a robot. Good, good, good.
That's so awkward. He must have thought you didn't want to talk.
Exactly. And the truth is, I had so much to say. I had a busy day, I went to meetings, I had lunch with friends.
But you couldn't express it in English?
No, in Hindi, I can talk for hours about my day, but in English, my brain just shuts down.
That's a common problem. Many people can't talk about their daily routine in simple English.
Yes, and people ask this question every day. How was your day? What did you do today? How's it going?
And if you can't answer, conversations just die.
Exactly. I want to have real conversations, not just say good and walk away.
That's why today's topic is perfect for you. Talk about your day in simple sentences.
Finally, because this is basic stuff, but I still struggle with it.
So guys, if you've ever been asked, how was your day, and didn't know what to say, hit that like button.
And subscribe, because we're teaching you simple sentences to describe your entire day.
And at the end, we'll reveal the secret formula to make any day sound interesting in English.
Even boring days?
Even boring days. You'll never say just good again.
I'm ready. Teach me how to talk about my day like a normal person.
Let's start from the very beginning, waking up.
Let's do this.
Okay, Alex, let's start with the morning. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower. Normal stuff.
Perfect. Now say it in simple English sentences. I woke up at 7 a.m.
I woke up at 7 a.m. Easy.
Good. Next sentence. I brushed my teeth.
I brushed my teeth. Then I took a shower.
Excellent. See? Simple sentences. What about breakfast?
I made coffee and ate toast.
Perfect. Or you can say, I had breakfast. I drank coffee.
This is so easy. Why was I struggling before?
Because you are overthinking. Keep it simple. Short sentences.
What if I didn't make breakfast? I bought it.
Say, I bought breakfast on my way to work. Or, I stopped at a cafe.
Oh, I stopped at Starbucks and got a latte.
Perfect. You're describing your morning naturally.
What about getting ready, like putting on clothes?
I got dressed. I wore jeans and a t-shirt. Simple.
I got dressed. I wore my blue shirt. Easy.
Now put it all together. Tell me about your morning.
I woke up at 7. I brushed my teeth and took a shower. I got dressed. I had coffee and toast. Then I left for work.
Perfect. That's a complete morning routine in simple English. All right, morning is done. Now, how do you get to work?
I drive. So I say I drove to work.
Yes, I drove to work. Or I took the bus. I took the train. I walked to work.
What if there was traffic?
Great detail. Say, there was a lot of traffic, or the traffic was terrible.
I drove to work. There was a lot of traffic. It took me 40 minutes.
Excellent. You're adding details now. What about when you arrive at work?
I arrived at work. I got to work.
Both are correct. I arrived at work at 9 a.m. or I got to the office at 9.
And then what? What do I say about my work day?
Keep it simple. I had a busy day, or I had a slow day, or it was a normal day.
What if I had meetings?
I had 3 meetings today, or I attended a conference call.
I had a meeting with my boss. We discussed the new project.
Perfect. You're getting good at this. What about lunch?
I had lunch at 1 p.m. I ate a sandwich.
Great. Or I went out for lunch with my coworkers.
I ordered food from a restaurant. I ate at my desk.
Yes, all of these work. Simple and clear.
What about finishing work?
I finished work at 6 p.m. or I left the office at 5:30.
This is so practical. I can actually use these sentences tomorrow.
That's the point. Real sentences for real situations.
Okay, work is done. What do you do in the evening?
I go home. I relax. I watch TV.
Perfect. Say it in sentences. I went home. I relaxed on the couch. I watched Netflix.
I went home. I was tired. I relaxed.
Good. What about dinner?
I cooked dinner. I made pasta.
Excellent. Or I ordered food. I had pizza delivered.
What if I went out to eat?
I went to a restaurant. I met my friend for dinner.
I went to a restaurant with my friend. We ate Indian food.
Perfect. You're naturally describing your evening.
What about other activities, like exercise?
I went to the gym. I worked out for an hour. I went for a run.
I went for a walk in the park. I listened to music.
Yes. Or I called my family. I talked to my mom.
I video called my parents. We talked for 30 minutes.
Great. What about hobbies?
I played video games. I read a book. I practiced guitar.
Perfect. All simple, all clear.
This is amazing. I have so many sentences now.
And they're all useful for daily conversation.
All right, last part of the day. Your night routine before bed.
I brushed my teeth again. I changed into pajamas.
Good. I brushed my teeth. I changed into my pajamas. I got ready for bed.
What about scrolling on my phone? I do that every night.
Haha. I scrolled through Instagram. I checked my messages. I watched YouTube videos.
I watched TikTok for an hour. I know. Bad habit.
Hey, no judgment. You're describing your real day.
What about setting an alarm?
I set my alarm for 7 a.m. Perfect sentence.
And then I went to sleep.
Exactly. I went to bed at 11 p.m. I fell asleep around midnight.
What if I couldn't sleep?
I couldn't sleep. I stayed awake until 2 a.m. I had trouble sleeping.
So honest. I like it.
Honesty makes conversations interesting.
Okay, so now I can describe my entire day from morning to night.
Yes, in simple, clear English.
Now, let's make your day stories more interesting. Add feelings and opinions.
How do I do that?
After describing what you did, say how you felt about it.
Like, I had a meeting and it was boring?
Exactly. I had a meeting. It was so boring, I almost fell asleep.
That's funny and honest.
Or, I went to the gym. It was hard. I was exhausted.
I cooked dinner. It was delicious. I'm proud of myself.
Yes, you're adding personality now.
What about negative feelings?
Totally fine. I had a terrible day. I was stressed. Everything went wrong.
Traffic was awful. I was annoyed. I was late to work.
Perfect. Real emotions make your story relatable.
What words can I use for feelings?
Happy, sad, tired, excited, frustrated, annoyed, relaxed, stressed.
I was happy. I was excited. I was tired.
You can also say, I felt happy. I felt excited. I felt tired.
This makes my day sound way more interesting.
Exactly. Not just facts, but feelings too. Not every day is the same, right? Let's learn how to describe different types of days.
Yes, some days are busy. Some days are boring.
Exactly. So for a busy day, say, I had a really busy day. I didn't stop all day.
I was running around all day. I had back-to-back meetings.
Perfect. What about a relaxing day?
I had a relaxing day. I didn't do much.
Good. Or, I had a chill day. I just stayed home.
What about a bad day?
I had a bad day. Everything went wrong. I was so frustrated.
I spilled coffee on my shirt. I missed the bus. My boss was angry.
That is a bad day. What about a great day?
I had an amazing day. Everything was perfect.
I had so much fun. It was a great day.
What about a boring day?
I had a boring day. Nothing interesting happened. It was pretty uneventful.
I just worked and came home. Same as always.
That's honest. Not every day is exciting.
What about a productive day?
I had a productive day. I got a lot done. I finished all my tasks.
I was so productive today. I'm proud of myself.
See? Different words for different types of days. Okay, Alex, ready for the secret formula to describe any day?
Yes, what's the formula?
It's simple. Time plus action plus feeling. That's it.
Time, action, feeling. Explain.
Okay, time is when. This morning, in the afternoon, at night.
Got it. When did it happen?
Action is what? I went to work, I had lunch, I watched TV.
What did I do?
And feeling is how. It was fun, I was tired, I enjoyed it.
How did I feel about it?
Now put them together. This morning, I went to the gym and it was exhausting.
Time, action, feeling.
Exactly. Try it.
This afternoon, I had a meeting and it was really boring.
Perfect. One more.
Last night, I watched a movie and I loved it.
Yes, that's the formula. Use it for anything.
This is genius. I can describe any part of my day with this.
And it always makes sense. Always sounds natural.
Time, action, feeling. I'm going to use this every day.
That's the goal. Make it a habit. All right, let's practice. I'll ask you, how was your day? And you answer using what we learned.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey, Alex, how was your day?
It was pretty good. I woke up early and went to the gym. It was tiring, but I feel great.
Nice. What did you do after?
I went to work. I had a busy morning with meetings. Then I had lunch with my coworker. We went to a Thai restaurant.
Sounds nice. What about the afternoon?
The afternoon was slow. I finished some reports and answered emails. It was boring, but productive.
And after work?
I went home and cooked dinner. I made pasta. It turned out really good. Then I watched Netflix and relaxed.
That sounds like a great day.
Yeah, it was. Now I'm here talking to you.
Perfect. That was a natural, complete conversation about your day.
I did it. I actually described my whole day.
And it wasn't hard, was it?
Not at all. Just simple sentences.
That's all you need. All right, Alex, you can now talk about your day. How do you feel?
I feel confident. I'm never going to say just good again.
Let's recap. What did we learn today?
We learned how to describe our morning routine: waking up, breakfast, getting ready.
We learned work and commute, driving to work, meetings, lunch.
Evening activities: going home, dinner, relaxing, hobbies.
Night routine, getting ready for bed, setting alarms, going to sleep.
Adding feelings and opinions to make it interesting.
Different types of days: busy, boring, relaxing, productive.
And the secret formula: time, action, feeling.
Everything you need to have real conversations about your day.
I'm going to practice this every day.
So guys, if this video helped you, please like and subscribe to AI Talk English.
Comment below and tell us about your day in English. Practice with us.
Share this with a friend who also struggles with daily conversations.
Remember, keep it simple. Short sentences are better than complicated ones.
You don't need fancy words, just clear, honest descriptions.
Tomorrow, when someone asks, "How was your day?" I'm ready.
You've got this. No more awkward silences.
Thank you, Emma, and thank you everyone for watching.
Now go practice. Talk about your day.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day.